So this morning Luciano wakes me up from a deep sleep. Windy, windy. It's going to be a beautiful day. Let's meet at Choppers. And I look out the window and it was summer. It feels like summer out here. I don't know why I'm even wearing a flannel shirt. Anyway, it is supposed to be nice again today. Luciano wants to ride. And I got to ride yesterday, but I never miss a riding day this time of year because we are basically still in the middle of the winter. And I don't know if we're ever going to get any more of these days, because from this day on we're supposed to have 3 days of rain. I don't know. I never want to miss a riding day. So anyway, I'm going to pre-flight the bike, check the tires, check the oil, and pretend I was in Sacramento with Dallas. Now, to me, it's pretty funny how, I guess it happens to everybody, the slightest little hint of springtime, the slightest, you see one daffodil poking his nose up. I don't know. It's time to ride. I can't wait. Even though I rode yesterday, I can't wait to ride. What the hell's wrong with me? Well, that's the thing I always think happens is you get cabin fever. Even if you get 1 or 2 rides in the middle of the winter, it's not like you have to go months between rides. And maybe if you're not addicted, you know, you don't have to go to rehab. Pretty funny too. I have 2 10-year-old cars, a Jetta and a Sienna, and they're both 10 years old or 11 years old. And what happens is, about a year ago, the light came on that they both are low on air pressure. Well, here's the whole problem with being low on air pressure. You put air in the tires, even 5 or 10 pounds more, and that little thing that's in the tire still tells you have a flat tire. So now what do? I don't know. I'm going to have to look on YouTube and see if there's a cure for that problem. But we don't have that on the bikes, especially the old ones. You just check the air pressure every time you ride the bike. Now, of course, I know I'm prejudiced, but I still think that is one of the most beautiful motorcycles ever designed. I know they only made them for 2 years, 82 and 83, and then they turned them back into Oldsmobiles or Buicks or something. But of course, all beauty is in the eye of the beholder. And listen, I even hear the birds chirping this morning. It's almost like it's going to be a summer day, but I know the reality. You get so excited, you forget that it really is still, it's a cold day. Now our tank nicely is drying. It'll get a couple extra days to dry while we have this couple of days of warm weather. Boy, did this weather work out in our favor. Wow. That's dried up. Wheels are buffed up and ready to put back on the bike. Oh my God, when I look at it now. See, it's this time of the year that you think, wow, what could I have done this whole winter that would have been more fun? And at the end of it, I get to keep the bike. Even the small parts on this restoration, like the dashboard, every one of them, even the forks, every part of this project has been, well, I don't know what else I could do this winter except go kayaking on the Hudson or something. Wow. So anyway, I do want to just check the parts over. I do a little oogling every morning. Have an extra cup of coffee, and then I'm going to run up and see if Luciano is in a mood to do some riding. I know it's going to be cold for the first hour of the ride, but it's not cold where this coffee's going to be. And while I'm out riding, Grammy's cutting up chicken fajitas, or as the Mexicans call them, fajitas. Oh, I can't wait to get home and have some of these. So Karen's cooking. Everything's cooking down the cellar. Paint is drying. Look at that sky. Holy moly. We have had a couple of days of, I think this is the 3rd day of really nice weather. So this is our first day out with the, what do we call this? The Yamaha? Yamaguchi. Oh my God, the thing looks great in the sun. Wow. Now here you have the 2 exact opposite things of life. Brand new bike, older than dirt. Oh, you got very a young person kind of paint job. Conservative. Here you got the guy that leaves his helmet on the seat, and when it falls, it's broken. And you get the guy smart enough to put his helmet on the sidewalk.
Right.
Oh my God, it looks good, Luciano. Fantastic.
The rides are beautiful.
Oh, Pokey's going to be so jealous. He's going to say, why did I buy that Moto Guzzi? I could have had 5 of these. Oh, he actually could have had 4.
Yeah.
That's funny.
I tell you, it rides beautifully.
Yeah, looks nice. In the sun. I only saw it that rainy day by your house. It was so rainy. It was terrible. Hey, that looks good, baby. Wow. That looks good. Now this is fuel injected too?
Yeah.
Fuel injected. Look at those wheels. Those are cool little wheels. I could make them gold for you. I got extra gold paint.
I tell you, for the money, I'm impressed about the quality.
Yeah, it is very good. And nobody will know that you, you know, you basically stole it. Yeah, that looks good. You know what it is? This color, it's faded. In the sun, it fades from yellow to orange. They did a lot of nice little stuff on this bike.
Right?
Yeah. It's like a pearly, the paint, the flat white, I don't really care for, but, you know, it's not my bike, so what do I care? Wow, that's beautiful, though. Out in the sun. Woo! No, the only problem is the cop is going to know that you're the one that gets the ticket, because, see, this guy gets the ticket. Conservative people don't get a ticket. Young kids, old kids.
All the stickers are well positioned on the bike.
Yeah. Nice headlight even. Wow. Well, you didn't go out at night, so you don't know if that's...
It's very bright.
It's bright?
It's very
Turn it on in your garage and stuff.
Yeah.
The blinkers are even nice.
Yeah.
Wow. Little mirrors. I know you can see out of the mirrors.
Oh,
that's
God.
nice. Yeah, you know, here, a bike you can see out of the mirrors. You 2 of them. Look at this. Wow. Very cool. Very cool. Well, we're going to find out today if it's what you think it is, MotoGP, or we'll find out. First, we'll challenge the first Ducati we see to a road race.
I can't really push a guy anymore. Yeah,
so what are you going to get, a bigger front sprocket?
Yeah.
Did you put the spools on, or does it come with spools?
I did.
Oh, you sneak. You're getting ready to go to track day, I can tell. You got the softer tires on order?
Oh, the tires are great. They're now a well-known brand, but they're very sticky. They're very sticky.
Oh, they're soft.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Yeah. Track day, here we come.
They use a...
Hey, this is professional riders only, sir. Parking for professional riders. Don't you know these guys lost the war? You're not allowed to park here. Wow.
Oh,
who knew? Who knew?
It's brand new? No. I had it since, it's a 15. I had it since I bought it new. I never saw this before.
Did you check out his little...
Yeah, I did.
Did you check out Luciano's little boy racer over here? He's already got soft tires on it.
God.
Look at that thing, baby.
Holy shit.
Oh, we're going to the track.
Is that a 250? 200.
And also
You
a
had to
USB
buy-
cable.
You mean...
$12.
Where?
Amazon.
Jose, you bought a $20,000 bike and you had to buy your own voltmeter?
This is the cheap model.
Oh, this is the cheap one. Look, he bought the thing, $2,000 brand new, and he gets a voltmeter too.
That's all right.
Now you could shut your radar detector off.
I gotta buy that one.
Making me crazy. We got 2 radar detectors here. So the season has started. The season of the witch.
Yeah.
I can't wait.
I've been out 2 or 3 weeks ago.
I was out yesterday. It was nice.
Yeah, I was out yesterday too.
Is it 1200?
The season has begun. Looks like we're never going to finish our restoration. Pleasantly late. Late to the party. What else can you say? Late to the party. Who else would be late to the party? You already missed the first 2 track sessions. Hey! Come on, baby.
Hello.
Oh my God, look at this.
Cold.
I'm cold. Oh, we're tongue kissing Luciano. What are you, Buttigieg?
I'm not taking this
I
off.
kiss it out.
I'm not taking that off.
We're gonna take care of this. She needs a lowering link. What else do you need? A tire valve on this? And the seat is broken. This is one of our next projects.
Oh.
So yeah, the seat. Just get the. You can't fix that. Just get the other piece.
Right?
Yeah, this is. I fixed the rest of the bike. I fixed the tank already. The fairing. This was all broken up here. The tabs were broken. Oh look, it's still loose.
Put the little GB weld.
Yeah.
You've wrapped the thing with aluminum foil.
She just has to, and there's something with the tire valve she's got to do. I'll have her come down and shop one day.
She needs a new paint job.
No, I could buff some of this out.
Oh, buff for what?
Come on, you just.
No, you can paint it.
God, man, that compound.
she has a
Listen, you gotta start taking care of the bike.
I sent you the.
I bought it.
Oh, you got it?
You bought the link. You bought the seat.
Amazon with the
No,
parts.
Just this one.
Yeah, that's pieces missing.
For the link I sent you? Or no?
No.
I'm not gonna send you the links anymore.
No! I don't need this part.
No, so we got a couple days work to do on this. You want to get this all straightened out before the summer riding season, though. That's for sure.
Yeah, it's nice.
Tire
out
pressures
here.
are good. You checked them today, tire pressures.
Yes, I did. I checked it. It only went down like.
So all that's left here, we got the crew together. All that's left is to decide where the hell we're going to go. Whoa, they're all out. Oh, hey.
Hold on. I'm out of shape.
You'll fit right in this crew.
No, you don't have an email or just by chance?
So this year starts off with a bang. It looks like we got a 5-bike ride cooking here. I don't know if anybody else is going to show up. It really turned out to be a nice day. How cool is that? Hey, Chris? So Luciano's bike really ran great. We had a nice ride and a little off-roading there that I don't know if Luciano really appreciated that, but anyway, the GS is a go-anywhere motorcycle, that's for sure. Anyway, I don't know why I'm complaining. It was a beautiful day. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.